This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
What's the deal, gang? How's everyone doing? How is everybody? We got 2 minutes till news here. Plummeting down heavy. Holy shit. Jesus. Holy jumping fucking Jesus. That's crazy. There's a lot of droppage. That is a lot of droppage. What? There was music on Zoom? No, there wasn't. You guys are lying.
Morning. Yes, we had music on Zoom, and we
I
heard
didn't
your
do shit.
speech. We heard it, and the speech was there too. Good morning.
Wait,
Don't
hold
forget
on.
your
But
lot size.
is it there now?
No, now there's nothing.
Hold on. How about now?
Yes,
Oh, it's just quiet.
now I hear it. No, I hear it now.
What? I didn't do anything. Like, this is just like the time when it went away. I didn't do
Yeah.
anything. It just went away. I guess Zoom brought it back. Because I
Awesome.
just did nothing.
Don't forget to change your lot size
Oh, ooh.
and sub only mode.
Sub only is automatic now, yeah.
Nice. All right, lot size. Got news in 30 seconds.
Yeah, we probably won't have positions for news here, but after the news, well, it depends. It depends what it does. Because if we tap these wicks right here at 30.70, and we drop another 200, 300 pips. Oh, let's get rid of everything we have on the charts here. Just 10 seconds here for news. All right. How many of you are going to be part of this statistic here? Ooh. Good numbers, right? Less unemployment. Good numbers. Gold should plummet down. Maybe it was priced in. Because those are really good numbers. That's a pretty big difference. Why are these ranges so massive? Yeah, good news for the dollar. Gold should fall. Did not break that previous candle drop though. So funny. The only drop here that I would have taken would have been the 7 a.m. drop. Once the 6 a.m. candle closes at 7 a.m., that was the only drop. And I'm not sure how that formed either, if that formed the top wick or not. But I know this doji candle and this one, they formed the bottom wick first. I wouldn't have been in any of those. And then as you're breaking lows here and breaking these wicks, you have news coming up here, so wouldn't have been in there either. And now the news came out. First thing we did was fill the bottom wick, fill the range, so no interest here either. But this is wild. drop. Or 1,000 pips. God damn it. I was saying nice job, Vishwa. Vishwa Patel, 127 pips. That's a W. Yeah. 127? I Vishwa. Damn. Misspell a word and get fucking clapped. Who's that, Nick? Nick is teaching a free class right now.
That's the boss.
That's the boss. Oh,
Boss.
damn. You might be fired. Boss walked over, looked at your work, and said, "No, do better." And walked away. As long as she doesn't want to see you in her office, you're good.
That's the boss at home.
Yeah, no, I get it.
She who must be obeyed. Sometimes.
Just sitting there like, you know, that's right. All right, well, First 10 minutes after the news here, and come down. Wow, what a drop. That is 150 pips. Shit, these ranges are friggin' massive. That is an ugly 5 to make that bottom wick first and come up like that. Yeah, chat, I was gonna do a giveaway today, but like Kenny just showed up. We might have to wait for him to actually dip. This guy wins everything. Word, Kenny and Eddie are here. Your odds just dropped like 50%, chat. And Bougie's here. God damn it. Word, give others a chance, fellas. The hell. Excuse me. Ha. I'm just continuing down here.
Hey, Wix, I think we have people at the Zoom door. Thanks.
Yes, we do. Thank you. Sucks is we have no top wick on this 30. Let's see how the 15 opens. We've pushed down the entire 4-hour candle. I would like to have entries above 30.90 if we're going to look for sells here. For this 15, 30, 1 hour. Yeah, don't forget to like the stream. If we get up here now, I'll probably have one entry here at 30.90. And if we pull back further, I'll have two. I think my initial entry at this level will have one entry. That is a lot of possible pullback range. Never flipped. Stayed bearish. It's gonna get interesting. I'm not gonna have an entry at this point, chat. Right here, I'm gonna wait for this level. I'm gonna have my entry here. 30.94. I'm taking a sell right here. Just took a sell. Alright, closing full right there. Just closed full. Congratulations, everybody. Closed full for 52 pips. W. W! Sniped it. Sniped that one. 52 pips. Amazing. Amazing. Waited, did not take this one. Waited for the higher time frame level here. You see these wicks across the board on the higher time frame? Smacked it. We just wanted that initial reaction. Boom, right to this level. Right to the next support. 52 pips. W. you wait for a better entry? Because no, I just zoomed out, went to the higher time frame, and figured this is where we're going to see a rejection either now or off the next hourly opening top wick. You're going to see some play in areas like this, just like you're going to see some play in areas like this over here. You see some kind of reaction, maybe not rejection, but some kind of reaction you will see there. Yeah, that trade had 2 positions in it, a combined total of 52 pips. Bro calls 18 pips, 50 pips. No, I had 2 positions of roughly 25, 26 pips each. And it was going to be 1 position at this area, which we would have been 1 position, but at this area I decided to open 2. And what we do is count a combined total, right? Because when I lost my big trade, right, we did a combined total. Otherwise, it would have been like 60 pips, 70 pips, or whatever it is. But it wasn't. It was that much on like 10 or 12 positions, right? So we counted the combined total of the loss. The same thing for a win. We're going to count the combined total of all the positions. Okay? 52 pips. Right? Because when we take 8 or 10 or 12 positions, we count the combined total of whatever the result is. And the reason we do that is because positions are taking in different areas on the chart most of the time. So the 30's flipped here, huh? Or has it? It's about to. Yeah, 30's about to flip. But even if it flips, so what, right? Look at the hourly. Holy shit, right? Like, you'd expect the top wick. Yeah. You can even play these areas on off the hourly at 31.01. Just depends how high this pulls up. The 2 and the 4 for futures purposes, they're still open. Oh man. Just that bounce here is 200 pips, right? If the bounce is 200 pips, the top wick on the next candle might be the same 200 pips. I wouldn't be surprised that we're at like, if we're at 31.20 for a top wick on the next candle. It would make sense. There's still 7 minutes to go. This is, we're basically trading the after effects of news. That's what it is. What's the final 4? Is that tonight?
No, not for the men. No.
Tomorrow? When are they starting?
And they play Saturday and Monday. And for a Saturday game is the championship Monday.
Championship is Monday. All 4 games are Saturday?
No, it's the final 4.
All 2 games?
Yep, 2 games on Saturday, 1 on Monday.
Oh, I thought they were doing like Thursday, Friday, and then Monday.
No. It's always Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday until they get to the final four. Then it's just Saturday and Monday.
Yeah, I mean, Florida's got a dog in the fight, right? So we're still in there. Although I don't really root for Florida. I root for either the U or FIU. FAU. Owls. Yo, I don't know what's wrong with Benny. This guy's farting up a storm, but I walked him right before stream. Like he did his thing. The last few days, I don't know. What do you need? You need some Pepto-Bismol. You need, I don't know, man. You need an antidote, something. I forget, your mom was a collegiate professor at high school. She taught AP chemistry in high school for almost 30 years, and she spent a couple of years teaching chemistry in LIU, Long Island University. It's a big pharmacy school. A lot of pharmacists come out of LIU. I don't know how long she was there. I remember she was there, but most of her life she spent teaching high school chemistry. Yeah, she taught in a high school in Brooklyn. That shit's hard. Do you know which stage or at all she enjoyed most? Yeah, the retirement part. Nah, I talked to her and she said it was good. Like she used to enjoy teaching before like the last 10, 15 years. Because the last 10, 15 years she said everything changed because the government got involved. They came up with the with the No Child Left Behind curriculum and all like she just said like once the government started getting involved in what they have to teach, she said it just became a lot worse. Because they would have like checks. She would be in the middle of a lesson and then the principal would come in and just check up, make sure she's teaching government issued, like sometimes she's like, we'd have lessons that would have nothing to do with chemistry just because I'm obligated to go over things like that. And I'd be like, when I went to school, it's like whatever lesson you had, that's what it was, right? They didn't need to throw in some extra stuff. Would have flipped on a 30, but I would be so surprised if we don't see some kind of bottom wick on the next candle. Wow, look at spot gold. Look at this 4 hour. Spot's a freak. Yeah, I'd be looking for sells at those areas on spot. You're welcome. Yeah, that's a lot of range though. This is 200 pips worth of possible drawdown from first entry to third entry. It's pretty crazy. How come I have better entries than you in gold but didn't make that reaction down? Or is it my broker? You probably missed it. Happened too quick. No, what do you mean, bro? If you're trading futures, it's centralized. It was the same for you as it was for me. It was identical. Your feed, your data feed came from Comex, which is where the feed comes from every broker, for every broker. $40 seconds. High up is this? That's a 30 pip top wick for us. The problem here is this, we just tapped this area on the top wick. We shouldn't break it, but if you look at the hourly, we shouldn't break the previous 30 high technically, because we just tapped this area, so we should see a support 30.90 after a top wick, but we're getting a bottom wick first, so we're gonna have to wait here. That's a decent bottom wick here. Damn, that's already 30 pips. Yeah, it came out, it tapped this area on the last hourly, right? On that previous 30 candle. But the problem is you can't take a sell here after that massive bottom wick and you're starting to flip bullish there on the 30. So you have to wait for a closure. You got a closure and it reacted right at the level where we would have wanted a top wick on this hourly. So if it just waited a little and happened now off this hourly, we'd be in there. But now that it's tapped there, we gotta wait. Also, bottom wick first, highly likely we get a flip and a steeper pullback to the upside. How much would a drawdown here have been? If we got it? Oh, it's over 100 pips. Never mind. Nice job, Warrior. 50 fear no man, Warrior. Can this push up to refill the wick? It can. It can also create a steep bottom wick here. It's headed to a support. See, I don't understand. How come today I made 4 pips on synchronization? But yesterday I lost 6 pips on synchronization. So weird. What was yesterday? Yesterday with buys, right? Was it like a swap? I have no idea how synchronization works. But they gave me 4 pips worth of synchronization. I'll take it. A little less, 3.5. Synchronization like slippage? I don't know, but today, like they gave it to me. I made it instead of losing it. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I lost it. It was a minus. Today it was a plus. So how do they calculate that? Based on what? Yeah, I have no idea what that's based on. Came straight down here off the opening. We got news at 10. ISM services PMI. Red folder at 10 a.m. But if we set up at 9:30, I mean NYSE open should be interesting here. Especially if we break this wick. Whoa, lower lows, lower highs. Time for some protein. Time for some protein. Time for some protein. You know what I've really liked lately? Like I've been really like hooked on lately? Bell peppers. I've been eating a lot of peppers lately. Like I've been eating them instead of chips now. Like I just dice up a bell pepper and just eat slices of it. Them red ones be on point. Oh shit. Whoopsie. Tonight you're having bell peppers with some taco on the side? No. I'm just eating bell peppers like they're chips. Stuffed peppers? No, just fresh peppers. Miami, Florida peeps. Opening ceremony of Maurice Gibb Memorial Park at Miami Beach. Do I get a +1?
We got anybody in the group that's in DR? Anybody in the public?
DR?
Yeah, I'm going next week.
So what do you need? Need a bedroom?
Not this time.
Yeah, I filled the whole wick. That's that big gulp. Needs to make sure he has a hookup for the Mary J. I don't know if that's hard to find in DR. I figure that would be everywhere.
It's usually not hard for me to find it anywhere I go.
Just fucking FedEx overnight it to yourself, bro.
That's the idea.
That's what I do. Just right before I travel. Just know, Brazil, weed is bad. Weed is bad, okay? No weed is bad. All weed's good.
It's hard to judge when you're out of town. You know what I mean? Kind of like, we'll still take it.
I mean, yeah. I'm like, there's a reason I found it when I'm out of town. It was meant to be. If I'm on vacation, shit. If I can't find weed, bring me some of that Arizona. Give me that. Give me that Reggie Bush. I don't know what played here. Yo, Benny, watch out. This guy. I swear, you mad nosy. What is gold trying to tell us here, chat? Oh, that's what it's saying? Move, bitch, get out the way.
I'm not in the way. I am riding his back.
What was that?
I said, I'm not in the way. I'm riding his back.
I was saying I got room to go down, but wait for news. Maybe it was priced in here. Holy shit. Maybe we should have jumped in here on the buys, huh? 30.73. What's the stops? That would have been about 30 pip stops. Yeah, I was thinking about this level. Wow, that's 100 pip pullback. These ranges are huge. Huge. Believe me. I'd be pretty surprised if we don't see some kind of reaction at these levels in 3100. But we still gotta get there. It's over 100 pips. That's where the next position might be. Up here. News in 25. No, we have news at 10. So in about 40 minutes, but we have NYC open here in 10 minutes. So yeah, the buys on the bottom wick here aren't too bad. If you saw this level here right there, you're looking at roughly 50 pip stop. So hold on, chat. Sorry, I forgot I was muted. It's just crazy. It's up and down, 100 pips like nothing. 150, 50, 80, like just up and down. Massive, massive ranges. This candle down 90 pips. It should flip up again. Crazy. It's a 5-minute candle. These are all 5-minute candles here, looking like a damn hourly. How? Stop. Hey. Stop that. If someone makes money in the market scalping, then someone must lose money. You know what? Not necessarily. Because you're trading into a pool, right? You're trading into a liquidity pool. So it doesn't really mean that there's immediately someone on the other end selling while you're buying. It's just, or buying while you're selling. It's just, it's a liquidity pool. But overall, you're right. Overall, it is a zero-sum game, right? There's going to be winners and losers. Money doesn't just show up out of nowhere. So whatever's lost is won somewhere else, right? So it is a zero-sum game in general, but it doesn't, just because you win, it doesn't mean that there's a loser on the other side at that moment. 30. Anyone taking it off the rip just because it's an NYSE open? Anyone just looking off the rip cells? Yeah, exactly. A lot of businesses don't really, they're not looking to get the best price. They just need all the currency or the amount of currency changed into another currency at a certain time, right? You're right, because they have businesses to worry about. They're not really worried about the rate. It's just they got to do world business, right? Worldwide business. This transaction's got to happen all over the world, so money's being exchanged, and they're not necessarily looking for the best rates. One minute here for the 30. NYSE open, 1 minute. So here's the deal, 15's closing bullish, so I would expect to see a top wick on the next candle. 30 closing bearish, which means I'd eventually expect that 15 to flip bearish. The hourly still does not have a top wick. Probably needs to come up and grab one. It's a little difficult here because we might top out at 30.90 again, like we spoke about earlier, but 30.94 would be a better entry like we've had. The best entry here would be up here at 3100. It's just the top of the 5-minute range. All right, here we go. Volume coming in. Coming in hot. So there's a possibility it rejects here at this level, but I'm not gonna touch it at that level. I'm debating about this one too, because I feel like the hourly is gonna need it. Maybe we bring this lower. Oh, it's already rejecting. Yeah, didn't quite get there. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Maybe a tip of the wicks. A lot of volume. If it re-breaks the high, we'll look for entries here. I don't think it will. We'll see. We will see. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a single position here. I'm gonna take a single one. And then if it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, we'll look for pineapples on a regular position. Alright, I'm closing full right there. Just closed full on one entry. It came out to 11 pips. I saw about 18, came out to 11. But we had an entry, I literally just announced it a minute ago. So I'm taking an entry right here, just a single one, not a double, because this might come up, re-break the highs. That's where I'll take 2 entries. So just close, just a quick little 11. Oh, now it's gonna run more. Because I just didn't want to miss the flip here. Figured if anything, we'll take whatever little piece we can get here. Right? But if it rebroke the highs, then we would have taken our full position and, you know, we didn't have to risk much on this first initial one. That's why I said I'm taking this a single entry here. Did it flip? If this rebreaks highs, we're not going to take it off this level. It will be a higher level. If we come up and start making a top wick for this previous 30, it's NYSE open technically, right? This hourly can flip bullish, but I'd still then expect the next hourly to come down and make a bottom wick. Jeez, that is a lot of friggin' range here. Oh, just tap that area that we had sells at the last time. Just think we need to come up and make a top wick for the hourly. So I'd expect the next rejection to be up here at around 3101 areas. 3100. A 1,000 pip dump can have a 1,200 pip correction. It's possible. The correction here might take us to all-time highs. So is NYSE open bringing bullish volume? There's our daily candle. 1200 pips. 4 hour closes in 20 minutes, so you'd expect top wick sells on the 4 hour. And the 2 hour, unless it comes up to flip. Oh, there's the 1 hour flip. We just flipped bullish on the 1 hour. Doesn't necessarily mean a bullish drive, but it could be. The previous 30 doesn't have a top wick. We could just be creating a top wick for that previous 30 to come right back down, which we just did. We broke that high, created that top wick here. Let's see what this 5 does. We might tap 3101.60 here and come right back down, but we might blast right past it because if it breaks that high, this is a clean candle. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. This is clean to reject. That's 92 pips of just one clean spike. I'm gonna wait to get a closure. There we go, broke that high. There's a chance, now that it broke that high, there's a chance it's gonna do a really quick pump up. But I can't look for buys here. It's like catching a fallen knife because the market was heavily bearish here. So I'm looking only for sells at the moment. The sells will have a higher probability to run eventually, to retest the lows here or retest support. Alright, we just spoke about this. This is clean. If it breaks this previous candle high, or this previous wick high over here, it's highly likely to just correct this whole candle. It's moved up over 30 already. Just spoke about this. Okay, no top wick. Interesting. Why no top wick entry? Different time frames are telling me a different story, and the higher time frames are telling me to sell, but the smaller time frames are saying not yet. We will line up, and then you do it, right? So the smaller time frames have not lined up yet for that sell. Too many things against it, right? And even if it does work out right now, my position hasn't lined up, so it's okay if your position lines up. Mine just hasn't. Right, we can call it a day right now and be winners. We don't have to settle for anything. If it's not clear and obvious, don't even think about it. Well, I don't even think about it. That's where the lapses in judgment happen, right? Yeah, those breakdowns, those mental breakdowns, right? If you can't catch yourself in the act and be self-aware, your mental capacity is probably depleted. It just filled that whole range with everything we just spoke about. The whole fucking thing. Once we broke that wick, it's filled 70 out of the 90 pips that we spoke about. That's a good tip. Which one? There's a lot of them. My chair's coming today. I wonder if it's here yet. It might be in the front. Yeah, you got news here in 15 minutes. Got a red folder. We'll probably be trading today for the rest of the session in the inner circle. And I really want to, if you guys, whoever's in the inner circle, hey, any questions you had from this week, we're gonna do a lot of review today. So just we're gonna do a review. But any questions you guys had over the last, month and a half, 2 months, bring them, please. Please. Yeah, highly likely we'll be waiting here for news to drop. I think we'll be here maybe till around 10:15 on stream, and then we'll do the inner circle. I got a meeting at 12 today. Fuck. All right. Yeah, well, it's all right. I'll postpone it. Chat. By the way, don't forget, top 1 futures. Yo, honestly, I looked at the rules yesterday. It is like, if you're comparing to Top Step, I think the rules are better. And it's the same platform. Hey, and they're doing what Top Step isn't doing. They're doing instant funded accounts, right? I don't think Top Step has instant, do they? For futures? I don't know if they do, but I don't think so. I haven't looked at them for a while. But top 1 is doing instant fundeds on futures, and with my link, with my code, right? Type in code WIX, you'll get 50% off. I think they might be doing site-wide 50% off for launch, actually. But use code WIX. Can't hold any trades during red folder news. I think you can trade news. There's no more 5-minute rule. They got rid of that. So top1futures.com. Use code WIX. There's no more 5-minute rule. All right? Don't go get a challenge account. Go get instant fund. If somebody's offering instant fund, don't spend your time over here passing challenges, right? Don't waste your time in doing that. You get an instant funded, and there's no more 5-minute rule, and you can trade the same instrument that we trade here on stream. You can trade the same gold contract instead of looking at spot gold and messing around with it. So you'll trade the same contract that we're trading here. Yeah, fuck challenges. Get instant funded. Yeah, I looked over the rules. It's honestly, it's not bad. So think about it. You go straight to funded. It's a 2% profit target to secure a payout. So on 150 grand, you just got to make 3K, right? 2% profit target, and you'll get 6K in drawdown, right? On an instant funded, if you go straight to funded, you have to make 3K and you get 6K of drawdown, right? So 4%, and you can get a payout in as little as 5 days, and you can copy trade up to 3 accounts doing that. I think that's pretty sick. For an instant funded, that's fucking incredible, right? And there's no 5-minute rule, but there is a 10-second rule, right? So the 5-minute has gone to 10 seconds. We were talking about 2 to 3 minutes. Nah, it went to 10 seconds. So massive win for the community, right? Especially for the way we trade. But those were the big ones that I marked off. I was like, wow, that's pretty sick. So on a 150K account, all you got to do is make 3 grand.
Hey, Wix, is there a promotional code as well with your name?
That is the promotional code.
5%?
Wix.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Is there a link directly to your site or just Top 1
So
Futures?
there's a link. Yeah, but if you use my code, you don't need the link. It automatically, it's able to register that you went through, you know, that you're part of my community when you use my code.
All right, I just posted it in the chat. Nice.
No, on straight to funded, your payouts are eligible in as little as 5 trading days. And you get 100% profit split on the first 20K. You get full 100%. The first 20K that you make, you get the entirety of it. You don't. There's no profit split on the first 20K. I don't know how many of you have made in general 20K, but if you haven't, then whatever you've ever made, you would have not had to split it. What's the difference between Top 1 Trade and Top 1 Futures? Well, one is Forex and spot gold, and the other one is futures, right? But same owners. Same conglomerate. I got to get rid of that banner. I got to change that banner. Because first of all, it's going to be 50% off. Second of all, it's not Top 1 Trader, it's Top 1 Futures. Get rid of that banner up there. Wow, this has really come up here. How right were we about this 5 over here? Just filling this clean range up here. 100 pips over. Yeah, we spoke about this down here 140 pips ago. These ranges are massive. I can't take this. Would we not be looking for a sell here, printing like this? It's a lot easier to identify than the buy looking at this. Yeah, Ron. Different things. Seven minutes for the 4 hour? Yeah, but don't forget, we got red folder news here. in 7 minutes right there. 7 for the countdown. Countdown to the red folder. It's a good question, Raj. He's got a point. Damn, that protein shake was an hour ago. Yeah, Chad, you drop a like, drop some likes. Got over 60 pips today here on stream. Four, 6, 9. To the window. To the wall. Damn, the good old days. Remember the good old days? When you just go into a public place or no park and like half the people in there are just yelling, "Yeah! What?" You guys remember Lil Jon? Remember, everywhere I went, people were imitating him. Okay. Yeah, every time I talk to somebody back in the day, it would be like, "You coming? We're gonna go over here." I'll be like, "Okay." Yeah. You coming through? Okay. What? Chappelle had a funny ass skit on that. Yeah, waiting 5 minutes. Hold on, man. You unsubbed and we can still see your... No. That's not true. Jay, what time is it?
Where?
On screen, like how much time we have left till the candle closes? I'm on the other side of the house.
Till the 1 hour candle?
Yeah.
4 minutes, 32 seconds.
All right. I got some time. How'd you do today?
Yeah, I did okay. Up 2.
Nice. Did you
Was
trade
it fun?
London?
No, I was sleeping. No, I traded Asian last night.
Mm-hmm.
Made... How much did I make last night? Hold on, let me check. Made 395.
Nice. When was your last red day?
2 weeks ago or last week? No, 2 weeks
No,
ago.
not like
Wait.
a losing trade, but like a red day. Where you ended the day in the minus.
Wouldn't that be a loss then?
Well, you can lose on the day, but still have more trades and, you know, end up positive on the day. I mean, you could lose a trade and still end up positive.
No, there was a day where I just lost.
Oh.
Last week, when we lost together.
Oh,
Was
all
it
right.
last week or? Yeah.
We ride
think it was
together, we
Wednesday.
die together.
Yeah. I think it was Wednesday, but I'm already back up from that.
Nice. McLaren.
Yeah.
Jay probably
Yeah.
make it back the next day.
No,
Jay
but
was
I mean,
hedging it. He made it back in the position going the other way at the same time. Like, yeah, I'm down 1,000. You know what? I hedged it. I'm up 1,000 on the buys though.
I was down about 1,500 for the day,
Jeez.
and I made it back. I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago.
1,500 pips.
So since Friday, I made 1,700 or 1,800 so far.
Yeah, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I remember those days, man. Everybody. Oh man. Yeah. So I've been doing all right. I've been killing it, but these days it's just been really lovely. The movement we're
There's
getting.
a
There's
lot of
it.
volume.
As long as people don't try to gamble, they should make money. And I just stack more positions when I know I'm comfortable with the position. That's how I'm able to make it back. But I don't recommend people do that if they don't know what they're doing, right? So
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I recommend people read the psychology guide that Wix wrote. I'm gonna put it in the chat right now. It's
Yo,
free through the Discord.
that guy is such a W. I'm so proud of it.
It is. You did a great job. And whoever is looking to get into the inner circle, there's still time. There's a waiting list. I'll put that in there as well. Give you guys a chance to take a look, see pricing and all that.
Now that you mention it, I'm gonna drop
it closed
another. No, I'm gonna drop another guide for the people in the wait list. It's gonna be. I know you guys. A lot of you guys have been in the wait list for a long time. So I'm gonna drop a PDF on. Well, what you'll see. It's just gonna be for the people in the wait list, just for you guys, just for the loyal ones that are hanging on and still waiting. We'll be. I think today they're opening it up today for the wait list people. So
Nice.
I'm gonna drop another guide. It'll be a nice little PDF.
Drop a like, chat. That's some massive value there.
Yeah, I'm putting a lot of time into these in the evenings and like putting them together and like because for me to put the guides together, I have to take the trades, I have to replay the trades, I have to write down my emotions, feelings, my mindset, where my eyes are locking in on, and what I'm thinking, and then I just like it's all like putting my ideas and putting pen to paper and write them down as it happens. Right, just so I can give you like you get to see the behind the scenes here of my trading and my strategy and what I do, but you don't really hear the behind the scenes, the whispers in my head, right? And like what's telling me what. And there we go. This is news here, by the way. So some of these guides are valuable because that's how I put them together. It's what's going on in my head at that time. So the guide that I'm gonna drop for the wait list, it's gonna be called Mastering Execution. So it's gonna be free, but it's gonna be a long, not too long a read. Maybe like it's under 10 pages. Pretty sure it's gonna be less than 10 pages. Because I got everything down, right? I put everything down already, like I wrote down, but I gotta organize it. Let's see, how did the news do? So, bad news. Really good news earlier, so gold dropped. Now we have really bad news on a red folder. Do we start making our way up? It looks like it. But man, what a 4-hour closure. Let's see if we can get a nice top wick here to the highs. This is already a lovely top wick. Jay's already in positions here probably. Broke the 2-hour high. I need a resistance because the news came out like really unfavorable for us for these sells. What I'm afraid of, last time we had a rejection like this, we were stuck in it because this candle never flipped. It continued up. And the following candle also never gave a bottom wick, just continued up. It's not like we closed at a support here. Where did we close? If we look at it across the board. This level is not based on anything right now. I just put it down to see where we are. This is the tough part, right? This is, the news is against you. This is a lovely area to look for positions. But the news is really heavily against you here. Let's see if we can tap this wick over here. Close to there. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take one sell right here. I just took a single position, single entry here. Oh, it pumped down a bit. I took a single entry and my pineapples will be bigger. But I'd expect some kind of pullback here. Closing full right there, just closed full. Congrats, 21 pips. On a single entry. If it was multiple entries, it would have been more, but I don't want to do multiple entries with this amount of range here. My first entry, I'll take it. With this much range, I'm starting to take my own advice, and that's take an entry, a feeler position in this kind of range, and then if we get into drawdown on a pineapple, and realistically speaking, 70% of our positions go into drawdown, that means on 70% of the positions, we'll actually have a larger position, right? Whereas in the 30% of the positions, we'll have a smaller position that doesn't give us multiple entries. So congrats, 21 pips there. I don't know why it's showing 20 on the signals. It's 21. Yeah, this news is against us. Once we had that reaction off of here, I'm only playing this reaction off this level because I'm still going to expect to re-break highs with the news. Right, so we just want that initial reaction. Remember I talked about slingshots? We want this initial bounce off of here. That's what we just got. Anyway, congratulations. If you secured that 21 with us. 21. perfect closure. Look at that. Amazing. More bounce to the ounce discount days, pun intended. Big pun intended. Wow, incredible. What a lovely day. What a lovely, lovely day. Inner circle call today. That's right. We're gonna do one. I said we usually start at 10, but I wanted to be here till like 10:15. I wanted to see how this plays out. This was the reason why. I wanted to see if we could get a topic entry. Remember I said no matter what's going on here, and no matter what kind of bullish push we can discuss in the range that we spoke about over here on the 5-minute, right, filling this candle, I said we can't, no matter what happens here, I'm still looking for sells. Still bearish till we start getting closures above here. So within here we were still bearish. Now we're up above a higher time frame range, back into range. Made 7% this week with Wix Nut. That's sick. What a W. Bump it up, bump it up, bump it up. I mean, on the higher time frame, look at this 4-hour. You're technically legit till 31.46. You can technically still be bearish for the next 200 pips up. And still expect the candle to come down to flip until this starts closing. It's beautiful. Did anyone get a Top 1 Futures account yet? I want to. Is anyone actually trading their accounts? Top 1 Futures. I'm so curious to hear people's experiences. What's the difference in platforms between Forex and Futures? Does one use the same system like MT5, TradeLucky? You can get, it depends on the broker. I used MT5 on spot, and now I'm using MT5 on futures. But they're like, it's very similar, but there are quite a few differences. You just got to go trade it. I can't explain it to you. It's the way pricing and the way entries and everything is calculated in futures, and the way it shows up, just the mechanism is different. Get one today? Yeah, look, I want to know how your trading goes on these futures platforms and how our style works out with the new rules. Project X is a good platform, like trading. Yeah, Project X is great. That's the one. That's what Top Step X is. What's a pullback? Oh wow, the 4-hour has a bottom wick here. That's right. On spot gold, it looks quite a bit different. But then you had a lit candle. similar read. Yeah, this is good. You want to respect this to the left. I think you respected it. For some reason, like the last few weeks, just spot gold, the charts have been cleaner. They're easier to read on spot. But I'm not complaining. We did our thing on futures. Just this range. Everything else has been like... And you know what? I kind of like the new 4-hour closure for me on futures at 10 a.m. I kind of like that closure a little more than the one at 9. Or maybe it's because I'm used to it now, right? Because before I really liked that 9 a.m. closure. Now it's kind of forced me to be able to read the 4-hour on multiple time frames, and it's just like I end up breaking down the 4-hour much better now. Like not the 4-hour, I end up reading price much better now at 9 and at 10 a.m. in both those hourly closures, because I try to look at what it used to be like for me and what the futures would have looked like on spot, and I look at it on the future side. Yeah, this might correct all the way up. Alright gang, while we're printing here, if you caught 84 pips with us here on stream, if you caught any kind of pips with us on stream, if you want any kind of trades with us on stream, drop a like, sub to the channel, and you know what? Spam some motherfucking dubs. Spam some W's for the 3 wins on stream today. Alright? Let's fucking go. Spam some dubs. www.w.com. W. Just noticed music on Zoom. Wait, can you guys hear my effects then on Zoom? Because before you couldn't, and every time Jay would talk, I would throw in a little funny effect and he would never hear it. Sorry, Jay.
No worries. We hear the music on Zoom.
Yeah, we got 3 dubs today.
But
Boom
about the effects, I'm not too
shakalaka! He's
sure.
on fire!
You guys don't hear my thing?
I just heard boom shot. I'm hearing them. Yes, sir.
Nice, nice, beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna step outside today.
Outside minute! No for the inside! Outside minute!
Straight up. Oh yeah. Wow, what did I do to Zoom? What did Zoom do? You know what I think? I think they fucked up somehow in their update, And today they patched it up because people were complaining or something. They fixed it and now it's working again. I don't think it was something that I did. I'm not that bright to do it and undo it without ever doing anything. I can't do that. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, we haven't done it in a long time. We haven't looked at the 23-minute time frame. Yeah, that's why you had a GOAT 23, telling the same story. Amazing. Nothing changes. All right. You think we're going into a recession? You mean a recession? No, I do not think we're going into a recession. I think we will see a little bit of a short-term pain for a long-term gain as the tariffs start to hit, right? It's so funny because like a lot of people compare Trump and Reagan, right? But Reagan was really afraid, or he wasn't afraid, he really did not like tariffs, right? And like, I consider Reagan one of the greatest presidents ever, right? But he did not like tariffs. He was completely the opposite of what Trump is when it comes to tariffs. And even though Trump is styles himself in the fashion of Reagan, so it's kind of interesting. I'm curious to see how this will work out. I just don't think, in Reagan times, I don't think they held, not even in Reagan times. The last time they had massive tariffs like this was during the Great Depression. And I just don't think they held the tariffs long enough for it to work. But this is we're entering interesting times. We're literally entering historic times that are going to be written about, right? This isn't going to be. We're not entering another like Biden term and a deadbeat president. These are going to be historic times where people, you're going to read in the textbooks what the effects of these this massive overhaul is. Could be good, could be bad. We don't know, but Trump doesn't want tariffs. Nobody wants tariffs, but if it's necessary, in order to stop getting ripped off, then we do what's necessary. We are all for equality, right? If the other countries were fair, I don't think we would have to put up tariffs. I think he's got a point there. I really think short-term pain, long-term gain. Oh, the giveaways. Yes, we got to do a giveaway. Hold on. Somebody said giveaway. Yeah. Somebody told me that you had a girlfriend that looked like a boy. I don't know how the fuck that song goes, but how do you come up with lyrics like that? Somebody told me you had a girlfriend that looked like a boyfriend. That's some really inspirational shit. All right, let's just go to another random comment. What reel are we gonna use? What reel are we gonna use? Let's use yesterday's reels. Let's use the one that says trading is a real job. Okay, it's the one we're gonna use. All right, who's ready? We got 87 entries on this one. Let's run it. Let me lower this music. This music be too loud. Too loud, bruh. All right. Let's find the winners. And the winner is of our 25K funded account. It is that guy. Nils Gulp. Nils Gulp. I'm butchering it. I know it. Nils Gulp. Hold on, let me take a picture of that. I gotta remember it. No, not a selfie. Is Nils Gulp in the chat? Where is he? Is he here? Anybody know him? Oh, he is here. W. Congratulations. Amazing. Wow. Wait, why doesn't this work now? Uh-oh. I wanted to make it clap for you, but it's not working. Hold on. Oh, can we make it clap? Huh. Huh. There's no clapping. Oh. What? How did that work? But the clap didn't. Alright, well. I don't know why the clapping's not working. Everything's working but the clap. Alright, well, our clap got clapped. Alright, next giveaway. Are we doing another giveaway? Let's do one more. Uno más, por favor. Or let's save it till tomorrow. Save it till tomorrow? Yeah, let's save it for tomorrow. Today! Tomorrow will be too many people. Now! Do we do now and not do one tomorrow? Chat, I gotta go. I gotta go do the inner circle. Well, I'm already 10 minutes late. Today. Alright, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Bring in a circle here. They're already all here. Alright. Where's my thing? Alright, let's see how many people we got entering now. Not too many more. 89 of you. You guys got good odds. Alright, let's find a winner. And the winner is... I like that. I see a chart. I see a chart. Comma candle. I don't know what you do with the candles, but don't be no comma candle. Do that shit on your own time. W, congrats. Let's see if we can clap for you. Can we make a clap for you? Nope, we can't make a clap. We can cha-ching. Cha-ching. I got you. Damn. So, W, congrats. Are you here? Is the candle molester here? Where are you, my friend? Oh, Doc Shot? That's who it is? Well, I gotta have different names, bro. Pick a name, stick to it. It makes it so difficult. Like, if I'm Wix9 here, I'm Wix9 on YouTube, I'm Wix9 on Instagram. Like, this is getting too difficult. It depends who I'm hanging out with. All right? Oh, man, you guys switch up too quickly. It's so funny. You ever watch TRL? You guys ever watch like Total Request Live back in the day on MTV? Does anybody even know what that is? Nobody know what TRL is.
Carson Daly and Lala, yes, sir.
Carson Daly, that's the guy's name. You remember that guy, Carson Daly? Man, that guy would switch up real quick. One day he'd be in a do-rag interviewing Eminem. Next day he's drinking hot cocoa with NSYNC by a fireplace. It used to be crazy. I'd be like, damn, I can't tell. What is, and then like Kid Rock would come through, and then Carson Daly looks like he's fucking getting ready for a parade. This guy would switch up, as depends on who he's hosting. He would switch up his attitude, everything, an accent. Have a country singer on there, and he would be like all southern and shit. Yeah, so you guys are over here. Just got different personalities for different places, for different crews, different crowds. Why don't you go live with Don like in the past where it was Don, a bunch of people in a video call? I don't know, man. Like, I like camaraderie. I like a lot of people. Yeah, I like a nice conversation, but you know, everyone has their own visions, agendas. You know, you can't force what you like on other people, right? And like not every battle is meant to be, you know, fought with backup. Right? Not every fire has to be put out by an entire team of people, right? Sometimes you can put out the fire. You the fireman. Where's that from? Who was that? Roach? Roach? We are firemen. We love the fire. Forgot. I think it was Roach. All right, let's congrats on these dubs here. Congrats to our winners. 2 winners today. 2 25K winners. DM me with your full name and your email address from those accounts, okay? And proof that you follow on IG and sub to the YouTube. All right. So do that, and I will get you your accounts. I got one person that's still waiting on theirs. It's yesterday's winner, I think. You can't DM? Why can't you DM? Surprise me. Shut up. What are you doing, bro? Who are you barking at? There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Are you stupid? Benny Singo. Sometimes I think that's what it is, because he'll be staring at an empty space and barking at it. I'd be like, all right, I got to get out of this room. Funniest shit ever. All right, chat. Let's call it a session. If you're part of the Signal channel, well, I'm still trading. We're probably trading till noon. So you can be locked in till noon. We'll be in the Inner Circle. Inner Circle gang, I'm going to send out a new Zoom in a minute. And if you were in the Zoom here, I'll see you guys on the Clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you so much for helping me run the stream. As always, congratulations to our 2 winners today. 2 people took home 25K accounts. And don't forget to go get your instant fundeds, right? Get your instant fundeds at Top 1 Futures. Trade the same instrument as I do. Get it at 50% off. And don't go for the challenge. Skip the challenge. Go straight to funded. We don't want to be sitting here wasting time on passing challenges. You want to be making money immediately. Okay? All right. On that note, I'm going to call it a session. My time here is up. And just like that, gang, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Later.
you